This is Laura Mason here with Daily Dose of the Good News, and I'm so excited to have Whitney Jones here with me. Whitney has been a longtime friend and Director of Technology here at Gin Mineral, has been here with us since 2017. And I knew Whitney would be great to bring in to go through one of our days of why it's important to read your Bible and tips for reading your Bible, because she has been such an important part of my growth and my Christian faith. And I briefly mentioned it yesterday, but one of the first bigger things that I did stepping out in faith was I felt being called to bring a devotional to Gin Mineral. I wasn't really sure what that looked like, but when you've got people surrounding you that you know would support things like that, it's a really big deal. That's why I mentioned yesterday how your close inner circle, it's really important that they be people that that you look up to, that can help your growth and you can help them. While we always want to reach the outside world, it's your core inner group makes a huge difference in how you're going to do, what you're going to become, and can greatly influence your Christian walk.